Right. So, if you remember, when the engine is not running, these are the engines and not running. Where's the engine? Other one. Here. Engine is not running. So, I have number 1 boost pump and number 2 boost pump powered by DC. Then I have pressure to here, and if the fire shuttle valves, did you remember the fire shuttle valves? We already discussed on the 26th chapter, fire protection system. And de-energize this valve means open. Then, yes, I have fuel on the engine by using DC pump. Again, for the left side, here, and I have. But here is the combustion chamber. That's combustion chamber. Mr. Yilmaz will describe this by the end of this course. 3 days, you will describe the engine. Last 3 days, starting 20th June, I think. So, but be careful, these yellow lines only available before engine starts. If the engine starts, engine has its own driven pump, means he has a one line to go there. Here it is. The red line called as a motive flow. You know the motivators? The real instructors are the real motivators, not the explainers, not the teachers, not the describers. The real instructor means motivators. So if I motivate you to work on this system, I'm a real instructor, right? So that's the interparenthesis. So motive flow line generated by the engine driven fuel pump, because engine is running. So he generates a motive pressure, then he sends here, but at the same time, with the blue color, this guy adds a fuel and suck the fuel. There's a suction pressure. Suck the fuel from the left tank and left main tank. Then he add this fuel to the combustion chamber again. Same story. If the engine is running, he has a motive pressure to the combustion chamber, okay? Combustion chamber to the engine, and at the same time with different color, yellow maybe, he sucked the fuel from here and add it. Then we have, so the engine actually feeds itself by using motive pressure here, by using motive pressure. So engine is running and he feeds itself. The engine feeds itself. Be careful. They are using left engine and left main tank and right main tank. So the boost pump, I mean the boost pump, and the motive pressure here, the motive pressure uses which tank? Left main tank. So engines are fed from which tank?
Left and right.
Left and right wing tank. Via auxiliary pumps and motive pressures, right?
They didn't show this collector tank here?
Yes, that's the second thing I try to mention. There is the collector tank physically located inside the auxiliary tank, but actually that's the color. Did you check the color?
The light color.
Light blue means that actually it's the part of main tank. Thanks, sir. That's the main idea. The collector tanks inside the auxiliary tanks, they are located inside the auxiliary tank, but they are physically actually part of main tank. Same story for the right side. Did you see? So, did you see the color? This color is same with this one. So, the AC pump, I mean the boost pump here, or jet pumps, boost pump or jet pumps is used to feed the engine. Is used to feed the engine. So, if the jet pump is okay, so how can I understand the jet pump is working or not? Is it possible to check the pressure? Yes. Outside pressure will be checked by outside pressure of the jet pump. Outside pressure of the jet pump. Here, that's the. Let me make a zoom here, please. Let me make a zoom. So, if you remember, this jet pump is used to feed the engine. So this guy goes like that, and the green is coming from here. So both fuel goes to engine, but there's a sensor in green. Did you see the sensor? Let me use the blue here. There's a sensor goes to where? Oh, pressure switch. Here it is. There is pressure switch in here. So the ejector pressure sensed by that pressure switch then tell the boost pump, hey, ejector is okay. I don't need you anymore because engine is running and I can feed myself. By myself. I can feed by myself. So the pressure switch tell the pump shut off, switch off, power off. Or if the pressure of the jet pump is getting low, he says, now it's time to operate because I have no pressure in here. So please, can you switch on yourself to feed the engine? And that's the line. He feed the engine. Did you see? Jet pump and the boost pump are parallel. So jet pump is working. We don't need the boost pump. If the jet pump has low pressure, if the jet pump has low pressure, I need this pump.
And the pressure of one boost pump is going to both of the engines? If the one boost pump is on,
No,
the other
no,
is on.
no. It's the left side connected to left side, right side connected to right side. We have a cross flow.
But we have one interconnection just before, after the boost pump, between these two check valves.
It's an auxiliary system, I think. Let me check. You are discussing with this one?
No, this one.
This
the
one?
No, lower.
This one?
Yeah, lower. Between
Lower.
these two check valves.
Between the two
This one.
This one.
For the boost pump, yes, I told that you are talking about the pressure switch.
I talk about the boost pump.
Boost pump, yes.
Pressure of one.
Yeah,
boost pump.
one boost pump is enough to supply left and right side for the boost pumps. Yes, I understand that you are talking about the pressure switch and sense line. No, yes, we have the cross connection with the boost pump. So one boost pump can supply this and this. It's possible.
But ejector can only feed to its own engine only.
Yes, due to this check valve. The ejector pumps cannot supply the right side. It's not possible. Yes, boost pump, yeah, sure. So is it clear now? For feeding the engine. So two possible ways. Before engine starts, the jet pump's not working, so I need the boost pump. After engine start, if the jet pumps has pressure, the boost pump's not working.
So